Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have two apple here. It is a good source of fiber and vitamin C. It promotes heart health in several ways. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that may help regulate immune response. For those of you who might ask what kind of juicer I'm using here, please check the description box down below. I provide some link. Now I have lettuce here. It is low in calories, fats, and sodium. It is a good source of fiber, iron, folate, and vitamin C. I also have celery here. It is also a great source of antioxidant. It also reduces inflammation, and it is also rich in vitamins and minerals. Now I have Asian pear here. There are different kind of pear, but for me, you can use any kind of pear that you have at home available. Pear is also rich in folate, vitamin C, and potassium. Now all that we need is here, so we can start making our fresh juice for today. All right, we are done. So this is our juice. We need to stir it in order to mix very well with the different juice that we have, the celery, apple, pear, and lettuce. So our green juice is here and ready to drink. This is it for today, guys, our green juice. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, check the description box down below. I provide some link as to what kind of juicer I am using here. I know some of you in the comment are asking about that. So thank you so much guys, and don't forget we have our shout out channel here, beautiful channel and very supportive, where you can also learn a lot from their channel, cooking, traveling, fashion, and more. Thank you guys.